Looks like a cinema. O parang gallery. Ah, museum? Nope, it's actually a Korean coffee shop. Welcome to Glam Grand Media Art Café, the first ever media art cafe in the Philippines. And it is just opened right here in Pampanga. This Korean-inspired cafe isn't your ordinary coffee spot. It's a two-story space where coffee meets creativity, literally.
The Glam is the first media art cafe, so you can watch the beautiful media art with great coffee and delicious food.
Their main attraction, projection mapping, art exhibitions na pinapalabas gamit ang laser projectors sa cafe walls. Parang immersive museum meets cafe feels. You don't just sip your latte here. You enjoy it while watching moving art all around you. And guess what? May photo booth din sa loob. Your pictures can be flashed on the projector wall. Perfect for extra memorable moments.
The first thing is the photo booth that is linked to the media art. If you take photo at kiosk, you can print the photo and also you can send the photo to the media wall.
Pwede rin ang cafe for presentations, small events, and even marriage proposals if you're feeling extra little romantic.
Cafe is designed for food, media exhibition, wedding, and future education venue. We have same facilities in Korea. Every time guests come to cafe, we'll have new experience every day. We cover a wide range of service content such as 4-dimension interactive movies, arts, career, education demos. We are preparing interactive K-pop events and other very different moves.
And of course, hindi lang art ang bida rito. The food is a must-try too. We sample their pasta, salad, potato wedges, and nachos. Perfect for sharing. Plus, they've got a wide selection of coffee and drinks from iced Americanos to fruity refreshers. The cafe is located at Greenfield Square, Sindalan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And it's open daily from 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. Kaya kung hanap mo ay cafe na may art, aesthetic at experience, Glam Grand Media Art Cafe is the place to be. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.